So the first thing we do on a busy night, Friday, Saturday night, is we prep the morning. We put these VersaMats down. And what's great about these mats, I've never seen them in my career, is that these go down in your high traffic areas, wet areas, ideally over here near the 3-compartment sink. We'll put these down. It's important that the floor is dry before you do it because there's a tacky side to it that helps it stay in place. And this gives this whole area a sure-footed safety, so where you're not slipping and falling in this, in this slick environment. So the VersaMats are great for this, and we prep it up. So when this starts to get busy and there's a lot of water on the floor, these pads will absorb the water, yet they will stay in place so that your team is sure-footed during the shift.